It all starts with an idea, but ideas mean nothing unless you make it happen.
They'll say, do as you're told. Keep your head down. Play it safe. Ignore the naysayers.
Remember to listen to that voice that speaks inside. You never know who or what you might find.
Always be curious and pass that spirit on to the next generation. That makes you one of us. Passionate dreamers, restless creative souls.
Don't let all those days just become another life. Let them become the hours you spend for something greater. Building you.
Problems can become opportunities when like-minded people come together.
You are an engine, beaming energy out into the universe, destined to achieve your dream.
Your creativity is your gift to the world. Never lose appreciation for its value.
So create because you love to. The next thing you make might just change a life.
Make it happen.
And make something wonderful.